This is some fabric. It's crepe backed, it's got a lovely drape to it, and it'll make some lovely blouses and dresses. I've got it in this purpley grey and sort of a gold on brown and red on brown and brown on brown. And this is just some plain white muslin that I need in the kitchen. These are all plain fabrics in various colours because I've been using a lot from my stash and it needs replacing. And there's about a metre of each there, either a metre or 2 metres. All the fabrics are either a metre or 2 metres. I have here what is called like blending fabrics, so browns and golds and brown and green and beige and more goldy brown, mustard and brown. I'm definitely going through my brown phase, I think. This is a brown distressed, and I thought that I'd make a good border. And I've got larger flower prints on black navy and red flowers on black. And like I said, I thought they'd make very good borders. Sorry about that. This is some, not really patterns, but it's a constellation and blue, snowflake type things on Goldie in that I thought it'd do well for Christmas. Batik, cotton batik, another cotton batik, and another one because I'm slowly collecting. I bought some more of this fabric that I've used on the past 2 quilts because I obviously liked it because I bought it before. This is a lovely magnolia type print, great for a Christmas quilt. It's a brown. I've got this sort of abstract distressed look, grey on white. I've got it navy with white, grey and pink, and black and white. These are also using quilts. The cotton, not a very big pattern on that one. Grey with white stars and green with white stars, and there's 2 meters of those. I normally don't buy fat quarters, but on this occasion I thought I would. These are like Christmas prints cotton. That's a 5-piece bundle. Monochrome these are called, and this is a 14-piece bundle. Coffee and cream, 14-piece bundle again, and an 8-piece bundle of different sort of patterns. Don't know where I'll use that. Got no plan for it at the moment. Bought some more sewing machine needles. Wadding I bought, but I'm not going to show that because it's tucked away now and I need it. Look. This is 2 rolls of fabric. I'm leaving them wrapped up until I'm actually using them. The larger one here is polycotton sheeting, and it's 94-inch width, and I bought a roll of 25 meters. This cost me £62, but I thought I'd go through white a lot, that'll last me quite some time. And this one that is shedding all over the place, it's actually navy. I don't think it's a 94 inches wide, but it's 25 metres, and that was just £20. So that will also last me a while. And so now I've got to find somewhere to store everything. Thank you. Bye.